Yo, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers on this 2008 Honda Civic Si. And the processes should be the same on every other car pretty much. So let's get started with this windshield wiper. Alright, so I'm going to open, this is the windshield wipers I got. And inside, they'll usually have some adapters for different styles of windshield wipers. But luckily for me, the ones that come installed already are the ones meant for the Civic. They usually have instructions, but these are pretty simple to install. And to take off the old ones, usually they'll have a cover. Take it out and then you pull down. Simple. Don't be scared to be aggressive because you are replacing these, so it doesn't matter if you break them. And then to install the new ones, you just lift this open and slide it in. And then make sure you guys take off also the plastic covers. And there, it's ready to go. Alright, you guys, so now let's do the other side. And that is the end of the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, let me know. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.